You have been nursing the idea of starting a business that you can manage from home, or you simply started but you're looking for the top tools and resources that you can use to do this successfully. Basically, save time, reduce complexity, and increase productivity, which we all crave as business owners. Stay tuned as we go over some of the top tools and resources that you can use to run your home-based business successfully. Hi guys, I'm Amako Hiri and welcome back to this channel. In this channel, we discuss everything business, personal development, content creation, and marketing with a sprinkle of blogs. Do well to check out my other resources, especially this one that will show you 7 high-paying business ideas that you can start as a stay-at-home parent or simply as someone that wants to work from home. Check out the description box for the link to watch this video after this particular one. So we are going to dive in right now with the first tool, which is your project management tool. So the first tool on our list is project management softwares or tools. So basically you need to download these softwares on your laptop, or you can download the app on your mobile device for organizing, planning, and tracking the progress of your projects. You can also use it to work with team members. Let's say you're not the only person working on the project. You can also have other team members there, and you'll be able to share files, between you and a particular team member, collaborate, communicate, and work and make sure that a task is done. You can also use these softwares to easily delegate tasks among team members. So the end product is just to make sure that you start a project and you see to the end of the project seamlessly without much stress. It reduces stress and it enhances your productivity and makes sure that nothing is overlooked and making sure that you meet deadlines. And some of these softwares that you can also download as applications on your mobile device are Trello, Asana, Notion, Monday.com, Teamwork, ClickUp, which you can start with their free plan until you are ready to use more features. The free plan has limited features. Then when you upgrade it, you can now use their unlimited feature. Then there is Microsoft Project, but it is not free. So as a beginner, as someone that is just starting a business, I recommend you go for the free version of this software that I mentioned earlier. Moving on to the second type of tools set of tools you need that you can choose from is the time tracking apps. So these time tracking apps are used to basically track your time that you are using to work on a project and make sure that you meet up to deadlines. Let's say that you are working with a client and there's a specific time that you need to use and do this project. It will help you track the time you use in doing this project. It ensures transparency in work process and billing of clients. For instance, let's say you're a freelance writer and editor, which is one of the business ideas that you'll find in this video that is talking about high-paying business ideas you can start from the comfort of your home that you should watch, by the way. So let's say you have a client and you are working on an hourly basis. You can easily use these tools to track the amount spent on working on that project and use it to bill the client without being cheated, without feeling cheated, or the client feeling cheated. And one app that you can start using for doing this is Clockify, which will help you track the time you spent on a particular task or project. You mustn't use it when you are trying to bill a client or work with clients. You can also use it for yourself. Let's say as a YouTuber, that as a video content creator, you want to track the time you spent in doing different activities that lead up to finally producing a video. You can use this to track the time you spend on each activity. Perhaps the time you spend on scripting your videos, the time you spend on shooting a video, the time you spend on editing a video, the different processes that you have to that leads up to the end product. You can use it for your own personal and project work as someone that is doing a business that is not really that you don't really have to involve a client. That's you're not really working for a client, but it is your personal business. Moving on to the third type of tools you need, which are categorized into 2 parts, which I will subsequently discuss in this video, are communication tools. These are tools that you need for communicating with your clients and team members. So you need it for communication and collaboration. So let's say you're working with team members, you need to communicate with them, you need to collaborate with them, same with your clients. So you need these tools because if you are a freelance writer and you're not using this tool, how are you going to effectively communicate with your client? Let's say your client wants to conduct an interview before hiring you. You need this software, you need this tool for doing that, for achieving that. So one of these category is the video conferencing softwares. You need them for communicating with your clients. Or let's say you started one of these online business, which is online tutoring, which was also mentioned in this video. You can easily use these softwares, these tools to communicate with your students, which is online teaching and tutoring. You can use it to easily communicate with your students, easily give them assignments, and when you share your screen, you can better and effectively ensure that you transfer that knowledge to them. An example of these video conferencing softwares that you can start using today are Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Skype, which are free to use unless you want to pay for their premium features. You want more, then you can pay for more. So the second categories are the instant messaging tools. So you need them for, as the name implies, instant messaging. You need to just use it for sending messages to your clients, communicating with them effectively, communicating with your team members. So these are like your Messenger app, your Telegram, your WhatsApp app, Slack. These are apps that you can use for effectively communicating with your clients instantly. As a business owner, you have to be careful about your finances. You have to pay close attention to your finances. So this is another type of tools that you can use. Moving on to the fourth type of tools, which is your financial management tools. You need these tools to keep record of your finances. You need them to track your expenses. You need them to generate your invoices and organize your tax information seamlessly. There are some tasks that are always recurring, so you need this app to use and automate this task so that you can easily save your time. Tasks like invoicing, tracking your expenses, and reconciling with your bank, that is bank reconciliation. And one tool you can use for this is Sage Intacct, which is one of the most in-demand tools for financial management solutions for different things. It is a cloud-based software that allows businesses to track their income and their expenses in different currencies. It also allows them to track their stock and also manage their invoice. Well, it is not free, but there is also QuickBook that is not really free too. So moving on to the fifth type of tool you need for managing your home-based business, which is your social media management tools. So these tools allow you to schedule your posts on different social media platforms, monitor your engagement, and also analyze your social media performance across different social media platforms. So let's say you're a content creator and you are always creating and publishing content on different social media platforms. You need this tool to monitor your engagement, to know whether people are actually engaging, to see whether you are really growing. You are growing your audience, you are growing your engagement, whether you need to improve, how to improve, what to do. You basically check your analytics. It can be on YouTube, it can be on Facebook, on Instagram. So this tool will help you manage and analyze and know where to improve, how to improve. It will even suggest what to do. So you need this tool, especially if you're a content creator. And examples of these tools are Hootsuite and Buffer. So moving on to the next type of tools, these are your content creation tools. These are basically tools that you need for creating and editing your digital content, which involves your graphics, your videos, and other multimedia that you can now post on your different social media platforms. For instance, we have Canva for editing your graphics, for doing different types of Facebook pictorial posts, for doing flyers. You can even design a logo on Canva, for designing your Instagram posts in the form of infographics or just a square post, even for designing pins for Pinterest. You can also use it to design your thumbnail for YouTube. So Canva is really an app you need as a content creator in 2024 or any other year. If you're not using Canva, I don't know what you are doing, but this is a tool that you need to use as someone that creates content online, that creates and uploads content online. So Canva is a good tool. There's the free plan, and you can also upgrade to Canva Pro. You can check the link in the description for you to start using Canva today. I definitely recommend Canva. And then there is Capcut for editing your long form and short form videos. It is easy to use. The interface is so you can understand it, and then you can use it on your mobile device or you can download it for your desktop. You need CapCut for editing your videos, for adding transitions, for adding overlays, for adding B-rolls, for adding music, adding pictures. It will help you modify your videos and make it captivating and hook the attention of your viewers when you effectively use this tool. Then there is Grammarly for editing your written content, making sure that your written content are grammatically correct, basically. So there is Audacity for editing your audio content. So these content creation tools are like, they assist you when you're writing, they help you design your graphics, and they also help you edit your videos. This is one tool set you really need. Moving on to the next type of tools you need. These are e-commerce tools. As the name sounds, these are tools you need for your e-commerce. That's for creating an online store, managing your products, and handling payments. So let's say you do e-commerce, you sell products online, be it digital products, be it physical products, even your subscriptions. You know, you want people to subscribe to information, exclusive information. Let's say you're a medical doctor and you have exclusive information that you give to your subscribers. You can even use WhatsApp to achieve this, which is in one of my videos. This video, you learn how to use WhatsApp to make money. So I talked about subscription there. So if whatever you are selling, be it subscription, digital products, you can use these tools to showcase your products to your audience, and they can easily go there, select what they need, pay for it, it will be added to their cart, and your money will enter your bank account. The bank account you provided there. So if you're a business owner that is looking for ways to simplify your process, you don't really need stress. In the sense that you don't want a situation whereby the only time a customer will buy from you is only when you're online to reply them and send them your account number and start telling them. You can easily create an e-commerce store. You can use this to create a store, and it is there for them 24 hours. They can easily go there, pay for whatever they need, see the description of what they need, and decide within themselves if they want to buy it and pay for it. And you just stay at home and be receiving alerts, receiving credit alerts. You don't necessarily need to, be physically present. You don't necessarily need to start communicating with them. So here is like automating the process and simplifying the process. And these are some of the advantages of these tools and why you need to use them for your business, for your home-based business. That you're doing a business doesn't mean it has to be so stressful. These tools are here to simplify the task. They're here to save you time. So e-commerce tools are tools I would definitely recommend that you start using as business owners, especially if you're here to start. An example is Selar.co. For this particular e-commerce store, you can use it for selling your digital products, your physical products, your subscriptions, name it. Just have to upload the ebook there, or your course, you can even sell your courses there, your mini course, name it, your planner, you can sell them there. You just have to list the products there, and your clients, your customers can easily go there and purchase them. Another tool you can use for this is Shopify. So check the description box for the link to start using some of these apps today. In all, you can start running your home-based business from the comfort of your home and successfully when you have access to some of these tools and resources. Which of these softwares or apps will you start using today? Or have you started using? Can you tell me in the comment section? Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more information, for more business ideas, for more tips that will help you start and grow a successful online business. If you found this video helpful, please tell me in the comment section if you want me to do a video on a particular topic, any business related video or content marketing or content creation video, or even about personal development. Please tell me in the comment section. As I said before, don't forget to subscribe. till I see you again.